Eto na mga boss, so Galaxy Blitz World, are you ready to play this? Beta testing guys, if you're ready, check natin to. Pero bago yun mga boss, gusto ko lang sabihin about doon sa nangyari sa Ateneo, no? So what tayo, atingista tayo, let's pray for them, what happened, no? So anyway guys, let's hope for the best and i-review natin tong Galaxy Blitz na to dahil marami nag-anticipate sa beta test dito. So let's go! So make sure guys mag-register muna kayo. Okay, download nyo yung app. Ililink ko lahat sa description below. Make sure you download the app, Play Store or iOS App Store, no? And you can register already. Then you bind the mail address mga boss, no? I-bind nyo yung MetaMask ninyo. So yan yung step ng pag-bind. Connect MetaMask lang sa mismong website. Yan. Pwede kayo mag-claim na Hydroxyl dito. Okay, link nyo lang email ninyo. I-type nyo dyan. And then ayan na mga boss, so ilagay nyo yung verification code na masasend sa email ninyo, no? So kung magre-register kayo ng account gamit sa mobile, bibigyan din kayo ng code, tas login yun. Tapos gamit kayo ng PC para mabind nyo yung MetaMask nyo doon sa email na yan. Okay? So simple steps lang guys, no? Huwag nyo nang gawing komplikado. Dito on our giveaway, stay tuned on our latest vlogs, updates, and play to earn NFT game reviews, no? So this is one of the best crypto game out there, NFT game. Have a nice day mga boss. This is Danjo Capital Master. Binance NFT by Galaxy Blitz. So July 25 na yan guys, bukas na yan. Play, no? Ito yung Galaxy Blitz NFT Planet Mystery Box, no? So sa Wind Vein guys, 1 day 3 hours na lang. Super exciting, 0.33 BNB. So it's just cheap. Limit 600 NFTs. You can mint already 41/600 minted. So guys, it's already available. It ends in 1 day. Make sure you click this right now. And also the beta test, I will show you to you later. It's available on iOS and Android, no? So yun yung mga design guys, no? Sobrang lupit talaga nito. Very exciting, no, so far. So marami na nagaganap ngayon, no? Katulad nangyari sa Ateneo. Kaya daw maging maingat tayo mga boss. Meron tayong tawag dito, meron tayong protection, kaya kailangan maging maingat din kayo when it comes to protection. Ibig sabihin mga boss, alerto ka, street smart ang tawag doon, no? And hindi mo rin maiwasan, no, pag mag-travel ka. For example, mag-travel kayo, nangyari sa New York, no? Meron tayong bahay sa Amerika, pero kailangan maging maingat tayo mga Pilipino doon, no? So we should be aware of the surroundings. Street smart ang tawag dyan, eh. Anyway guys, kung titignan nyo yung NFT, no, may normal, rare, super rare, super rare, super rare, legendary, super big deal guys. Very exciting. May factions pa, no? Different factions, categories, ayan. So it can be used in the game. NFT AR functionality on mobile. NFT holders will be able to participate in the beta testing. It can be staked to mine MIT tokens. Ito yung big deal guys. Kapag may NFT ka ng Galaxy Blitz, no, you can mine MIT tokens, taking APY SSR from 100% to 300%, L from 200 to 600%. Pledge NFT to share MIT seasonal rewards pool, farm NFT merge, N plus N equals R, R plus R equals SR. So may lottery din, pwede kang manalo guys. So pwede ka na mag-mint. Yung 24 design, price 0.33 BNB, very cheap, 20% N, R, 20% SR, SSR. So you can mint already. And also in Binance guys, it's already available. So 2 hours remaining guys. Very exciting to. Sobrang lupit. So 85 BUSD to guys. So there will be 5850 mystery boxes on sale, including 50 boxes reserved for the community. Each user can buy a maximum of 50 boxes ang pwede nyong bilhin guys. So very nice, no? Pwede kayo mag-participate sa beta test and it can be staked, no, up to 600%. So very big deal to guys. Don't miss this big opportunity guys. Madalang na lang to. Maging maingat kayo ngayon. Iba na yung panahon ngayon mga boss, no? So ito para sa akin maganda to. Later na NFT game siya. Favorite hero spaceship. Magkikita nyo yung gameplay. So ready na kayo. Tara, maglaro na tayo boss. Beta test na. Silipin nyo yung Galaxy Blitz for you to be aware. So, pwede mong i-level up, no, yung mga troops mo, yung mga buildings, no. Yun talagang gawin mo dito, guys. So, make sure you finish everything. Ako kasi, mga boss, hindi ako masyadong patient, no. So, kapag nag-upgrade ka, pwede kasi may option na magbayad ka na lang ng hydroxyl para mabilis, no? Pero kung titingnan nyo yung mail, meron din nare-receive ng mga hydroxyl, no? Lalo na beta testo. So parang pinapakita na yung best way na gawin. Pero para sa akin, level 5 mo muna yung base mo. Ako kasi hindi ko agad ni level 5 yung base, no? Pero yung miner yan, level 5 mo. Yung laser gun, madalang naman may lulusob sa'yo, lalo na at this phase of the game, no? Pero kung titingnan nyo, halos kailangan nila yung level 5 base. So make sure you level up your NFTs and the buildings here, no? And guys, very big deal to consider din, no? I-budget yung mabuti hydroxyl yung mahirap kasi i-budget to, lalo na kung di nyo matansya. And kung di kayo naghihintay katulad ko, i-solve yun agad. Ako kasi mga boss, pag maghihintay ka ng ganito katagal tapos babalik ka na naman sa game, ayaw mo yung ganun eh. Mas maganda yung per day ka na lang bumalik, diba? So yun yung isang advice ko, i-level 5 yung base, i-follow nyo yung requirement, no? But so far so good guys, this game is very fun to play. Nakita nyo naman, complete package ng Galaxy Blitz na to, no? Madalang na lang game na ganito. Pero as you can see, you can almost do everything here. Parang Yuri's Revenge na rin mga boss, no? Parang Red Alert, no? So nakakapag-build ka, nakakapag-cast ka. Di ko alam kung naglaro na kayo ng Yuri's Revenge mga boss, no? Pero isa sa mga pinakamagandang games, sinaunang games yun, no? So may Ice Thriller din dito. Halos kailangan nila hydroxyl, no? Para mapabilis yung kalakalan dito, no? So ganyan lang mga boss, no? As you can see, it's very easy to do. Build ka lang, and pag may requirements, i-build mo lang yung kailangan niya. Okay. So napakadali. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-tutorials, although may tutorial ako ililink sa description below para makita ninyo lahat ng tutorials. Pero pwede ka mag-build ng economy, development, defense, depende sa requirement ng building, no? So ganun lang kasimple mga boss. Yan yung base natin, no? So smooth, so far so good, and malinis yung base natin. Okay, so kita nyo naman, no? And if you're level 5 already, is much better, much stronger as well, no? So you can see, so it will be much more amazing. So you need more hydroxyl, that's why you have to play more and wait more guys. So scout nyo yung kalaban, detect nyo kailan magandang pumasok, mag-atake, no? And make sure you have available troops as well, no? Huwag atake na atake, baka matalo kayo. So have some strategy din mga boss, no? So mag-deploy tayo ng ano dito, no? Gun. So pinapakita ko lang sa inyo gaano ka easy yung game, gaano ka smooth, gaano ka saya laruin. And at least may idea kayo mga boss. So this Galaxy Blitz, abangan nyo rin yung NFT nito, no, sa Binance, no? So it was released already mga boss, no?